Hi, I'm DKWILL. This is DKWILL Talk About It. Do me a favor and
Check the mic and make sure it sound right.
I hope the mic does sound right. Thanks for checking. While you're checking, do me another favor, will you? Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit notifications, and make sure you come on back to DK. We'll talk about it. We're going to talk about, as you saw from the beginning, whales are eating plankton. Retail is considered their plankton. And this article here from News BTC says that XRP whales are rapidly buying while retail is panicking. Do they know something you don't? Oh wow, I'm so scared. I don't know. I'm not panicking. Is anybody in my audience panicking? I don't think we're panicking. I think it's a head stroke, is what I'll call it. This April 9th article says that XRP whales are aggressively accumulating while the asset's recent price action keeps many retail participants cautious. No, they want you to stay cautious. They want you to stay cautious. This raises a key question for investors. Are large holders positioning ahead of something the average trader has not yet recognized? I've come to learn something. When they say investors, they're not usually talking about us. It's soft speak to institutions. We are retail. That's what they call us. Wells accumulate at key levels while, see, retail hesitates. While XRP has dropped 3.5% in the past 24 hours, on chain metrics indicate that XRP whales have dramatically shifted their positioning in recent weeks. Data from the analytics platform CryptoQuant shows that the well flow 30-day moving average has turned positive after spending more than 3 months in negative territory, signaling a transition from distribution to accumulation. What do you think? And it says that it pushed well buying activity to its highest level in roughly 10 months. That's interesting, wouldn't you say? Highlighting a sharp change in behavior among large investors. Moreover, major holders have been purchasing more than 11 million XRP every day, a pace of accumulation that has not been observed since earlier stages of previous market expansions. Let's be clear. Follow the money. And if you like the content I'm providing, please make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications, and then come back for more DK Will Talk About It. The timing of this accumulation is notable because it coincides with XRP defending a key technical support zone. We're not getting to the technical analysis. Event-driven momentum, while Wells are watching Japan closely. I did a video in the past about Japan is going to push some liquidity this way. I don't know what this article is going to say, but guess what? We're about to find out. The timing of this accumulation aligns closely with a major XRP Ledger Focus event taking place in Japan. The conference is expected to feature Ripple executives and focus on institutional adoption, decentralized finance, and broader ecosystem development. Japan holds strategic importance for XRP due to its deep ties with SBI Holdings and its established role in Ripple's global expansion. Look for the card on SBI Holdings and on the developments of Ripple as a company. I'll put those cards in this video. This regional strength adds weight to the significance of the event, making it more than just a routine industry gathering. The combination of large-scale buying, reduced circulating supply, and the upcoming institutional focus conference underscores a clear pattern that maybe, just maybe, Japan is going to push liquidity over here. While retail participants, why doesn't it say retail investors? You notice it says, while retail participants often respond to short-term uncertainty with hesitation or panic. They're trying to tell you how to think. Don't think like they tell you how to think. If anything, think like they think. Wells are coordinating their activity with events that can influence adoption and ecosystem growth. Ultimately, the difference between panic-driven retail behavior and disciplined well accumulation illustrates that these large holders are acting not out of impulse but based on insight and timing. Their moves suggest they see opportunities that others may overlook, emphasizing strategy and preparation. Whales may not have secret knowledge, yes, they do, but they clearly understand how to act decisively when the rest of the market hesitates. Here at DK, we'll talk about it. We know how to act decisively while the rest of the market hesitates because we're contrarian investors out the gate. We don't follow the flow. If most people lose money, why would you follow most people? That just doesn't make sense. And you know what I say? If it don't make sense, it don't make dollars and cents. Well, then they go into a chart. XRP is currently trading at $1.35, but as you can see, I got a little line here that I did. It's on an upward trend after having broken out of this downward trend. Came back to test it once, came back to test it again, came back to test it a third time. So while these wells are buying, maybe we want to do something like the same thing. It said earlier in this article that another signal reinforcing the accumulation narrative is the steady movement of tokens away from trading platforms. So people are taking them off the platforms and putting them in their private wallets. Exchange outflows for XRP have increased, sending a large portion of the supply into private wallets. With fewer coins available for immediate sale, short term selling pressure eases, amplifying the impact of growing demand and highlighting the deliberate positioning of large holders. And so things are pointing towards a rise in price. And quite honestly, I wouldn't let the headlines tell you how to think. That's not what we do here. We try to read tea leaves and then whisper to the paradigms to help us all see things differently. But remember, only you can change your paradigm. I can only whisper to it. I'm the paradigm whisperer. I'm DK Will. This is DK Will Talk About It. That's all I wanted to talk about. I wanted to let you know that the whales are buying. And if the whales are buying, you probably should be buying too. Whether they know something we don't know or not, they're buying them and they're taking them off the exchanges. Not just them, retail participants are doing it too. I'm DK Will. This is DK Will Talk About It. And I talked about it. Have a wonderful day.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right.